Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear cache in WordPress cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your cpanel and in the search box search here cache manager, and then here you will find this option Lightspeed web cache manager. Click on it and then scroll down a little bit, and here you will see this option flush ALS cache. Simply click on flush all, and flushing ALS cache will remove all cache files under your directory. So if you really want to delete your cache, click on OK. Here you can see cache files successfully flushed. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the video description below. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel How to Unmute. Thank you so much for watching.